Good morning, people. Sammy watching me here drink the coffee. Oh, first sip of the day. Always hits different. Ooh. Oh. Welcome back, people. Taking you guys around another day in the life here. We got a lot planned today. Sort of bringing you guys along. Unfortunately, can't go for a swim because I had tattoo removal yesterday and you can't get it in chlorine. So we're just going to dip the legs in. But this morning, I got 2 back-to-back one-to-one calls. So we're going to drink this coffee, going to take Sammy for a walk, jump on the one-to-one calls and bring you guys around for the day in the life. And then we'll be going live on YouTube later on as well. And we'll see if we get to catch any positions for this stream. It's only about 7:30 here in Brisbane time. So good thing about being this side of the world is you literally have all day to run errands, do what you want, and then London for us starts at about 4 p.m. European session starts to open. We start to get that volume and we jump on the charts then. But I'm looking forward to jumping on the one-to-one calls. I'll show you guys some snippets of that as well and what they actually entail. Gold yesterday smashed new all-time highs again, which was just incredible. We got NFP tomorrow, so there's some big levels coming here on gold. And one thing I'm doing at the minute is I'm getting into golf a lot more. So maybe I just bought a new golf club. I bought a new 7-iron. I'm not the best. I have all the gear and absolutely no idea. But maybe after the one-to-one calls, we'll either go for a workout or we'll go down the driving range and see if we can smash a few balls. I'll try and record myself and you guys can criticize my golf swing. So first things first though, we'll go take Sammy for a walk. The nice thing about where we are right here is literally just 2 minutes down the road. We take Sammy for a walk every morning and we're right on the beach. So although we're here, moved now from the Sunshine Coast, we're still lucky enough to be beside the beach and have this very nice pool. So we'll go take Sammy for a walk. We'll come back to back 2 one-to-one calls, and then we'll go on with the rest of the day. Let's get into it. Look at this, people. Look right there. So I bought second-hand golf clubs because I thought there's no point buying fancy brand new ones when I haven't even. Man, I can't even hit the driver. I went to the driving range and tried to hit the driver, smacked it and bounced off. I don't know how, didn't even go straight. It went sideways and then almost hit the guy next to me. So I don't know how you can go to hit a golf ball straight, but it somehow goes. So we don't mess with the driver just yet. So this is the new 7-iron I bought. It's actually, I think it was like an X display one or something. I got it from Golf World. It was only like $50 and it's supposed to be a much more forgiving club, and 7 is actually the only one for some reason that I do hit well. I can hit some of the like the 6 and the 8. I have an 8, but I don't think I even really think I need to worry about them too yet. If I can get good with the 7, then we'll eventually get good with everything else. But I bought this 2 days ago. I haven't had a chance to play it because I just got my car back from a service. So we're gonna go take this for a try today. And you guys can rate my swing and give me some feedback. And if any of you guys are in the Brisbane, Queensland area and want to take me on a round of golf and ideally not laugh at my swing, hit me up. Drop a comment below and we'll go play some golf. Any guys who are just in my area anyway, if you guys ever want to meet up for a coffee, show me some cool places, always send me a message. Nice.
Well, that's why I joined, and I went through all the videos. I was like, yeah, this is more like it. I want it simple.
I kind of had a similar route where I joined a community and they would maybe take like 1 or 2 trades a week max. And I would find that I would just be spending most of my time just kind of doing nothing. If I was to take a lot, I've lost money and I've also wasted like 2 weeks of my time. Is kind of counterproductive. So let's say if, we had this resistance and, we are waiting for this liquidity grab to then have that push back down. I prefer to take advantage of the buys up into the liquidity grab just in case this isn't a liquidity grab and you just keep pushing up. I'm trying to expose myself to the fact that, anything can happen. And if I catch this move up, if we do start closing back below, I'll take my profit here and I'll also take it short. But one thing that I kind of found when I was taking liquidity grabs, I would be trying to predict where price is going to grab and then what would happen after. There's nothing to say this isn't just breaking above, retesting and just keep pushing higher. Whereas if you try and predict that it's the liquidity grab, you can get trapped off a lot of the time. So hot. All right, guys, so I just posted a little clip of the one-to-one mentoring session that I had today. I had 2 calls, one with a guy who joined the community, I believe around 2 months ago, who just wanted to kind of run over it a little bit more and define the liquidity strategy just that little bit more, just to kind of simplify it as much as we can, because there's so much there's so many complicated strategies out there, and I feel like these days people have the tendency to bring in analysis paralysis, and for me, we've simplified the day trading strategy to a very simple 3-step approach, so we know how to spot the liquidity grab, but also how to enter it. Most people fail with the liquidity grabs because they try and enter as maybe prices grabbing a high, but if you try and predict a liquidity grab, you're going to get trapped on the wrong side, because if it's to the highs, what's to say price isn't breaking above a high, retesting a support and going higher? So you have to be able to understand when is it a liquidity grab and when is it just a breakout, and that's very, very important. So we ran over that in the one-to-one call today, and it helped identify the liquidity levels and how to know just in a little bit more depth what most people will be looking at, so how we can take advantage of. Then the second one-to-one call, again, great call. Caught up with one of my friends who I used to go to university with, who is now in the Discord with us, has had amazing success trading crypto, and is now wanting to diversify that into making day trading more of a full-time income, and to just take some of the profits from crypto and put it into something that you can just do every single day. So amazing to jump on with both them guys. Now we are off to go to the driving range with the clubs in the back. Gonna go hit a few balls, test out this new 7-iron, and see how we go. And like I say, I will regrettably record my swing so you guys can judge me in the comments. Remember, I've not had any lessons, I've had one lesson, which was about over a year ago now, and other than that, played a handful of times. Only ever played at an actual golf course maybe twice. So I'm trying to go to the driving range now and hit with purpose, as opposed to just trying to hit the ball. So I'll record it. You guys can give me some tips. Do not diss my swing, because we're working on it. We will get there, and then we'll see what the rest of the day brings. So driving range, go smash a few balls. Let's get it. Isn't it crazy? If anyone who doesn't play golf, people always told me this. Isn't it crazy how alike golf and trading are? Like, the times where I didn't hit the ball properly, the next time, the more I thought about trying to hit that ball harder, the worse my shots became. Exactly the same as trading. The more you try and force the golf shot, the more you try and force a trade, the worse the outcome is going to be. It's incredible. It's exactly the same as golf. And one of my now friends from the community, Alid, is an avid golf player, and he's always told me to get into it, and said how alike to trading it is. And it's quite crazy how alike it actually is. If you guys ever have a bad trading day, don't go play golf. Don't go play golf. I haven't had a bad trading day, but I couldn't imagine what it would be like to have a crap trading day the night before and then go play a bad round of golf the entire day. But my new golf club that I bought, I actually found it harder to hit the more forgiving club than the normal one. So if anyone knows anything about golf and can tell me what the hell is up with that, and can explain why I just bought a new golf club that doesn't actually help me that much, that would be great. But look at this. I got this, this arrived in the post yesterday. Look at this. It's a new addition to the office. It's like a stock market history poster. And shows you how all the world events affected the markets, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm going to frame that at some point, put that in the office. That's me back now. It's around, what time is it now? So 12:30. I'm going to have a quick look at the Asian markets, because I do take some Asia trades sometimes. Sometimes Asia can be a little bit hit and miss, and then other times Asia can be great. If there is volume and levels of liquidity to target, who knows? I'll see if we can get an Asia trade here as well. But if not, I have to go take my car to the garage today, because I just re-picked it back up yesterday, and it's still got problems of having all these weird lights going on. So I need to go take my car back to the garage, get that fixed, and then we'll be streaming for the London session. So I hope you guys are enjoying this day in the life so far. If you guys are, appreciate you guys dropping a little like, subscribe if you guys are new here. Appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Most of the people who do watch this channel aren't actually subscribed. So go smash that subscribe button, join me on the rest of these day in the lives, and come and tune in with us live on stream every single day in the London session, 7 till 9 AM London time. Now let's eat some lunch and check the charts. Let's go. Notice this beautiful double top and double top up here in this 30. So we just got in some longs here. Looking for this to continue pushing up into these highs here. 15 throwing some very nice wicks to the lows down here. Beautiful. And we're looking to target these highs all the way back up here. Anyone who's selling here on gold, stop loss above that high. So I'm just seeing if we can scalp this back up into these highs up here for around a 23-ish tick scalp. Asia's had this very, very nice move already this morning. A very, very decent amount of volume in this one candle. You know, this is like 60 ticks in this one big push. You take that with one contract, you know, it's like $600. So to get this continuation back up into these highs, trap out any retail trader who is selling gold here, stop loss just above that high, looks to be a pretty nice play. And this is the Top Step X platform here. So we're trading here on the Top Step X. You guys can see we got gold down here. We're also looking a little bit more at this tilt indicator by Top Step. So you can see what the majority of most Top Step traders are doing. So most are long on gold with an average price of 51.72. And yeah, all I'm looking to do is see if we can scalp this up. As soon as we start grabbing these highs, stops are going to get rolled. Hard stop will be in below here. And see if this continue playing up. Good enough of an area for me to start taking these buys. We'll see if we can continue to get this push here on gold. You guys can see here, if you take a look at it on the spot chart here, you guys can see it's a very, very nice, perfect double top. Yeah, alerts are set. Gonna see if we can snipe the highs, and we'll see how this closes. Quick little Asia scalp. Boom. There you go. Cool. Amazing. Alert's gone off. Highs on the currency have just been grabbed. So let me roll this to break even. See if we're gonna get this continuation up. What we're looking in, $280. Yeah, I'm going to close that there. I just closed that position full right there. So we just locked that in, you know, around $260-ish. And that's that Asia scalp, you know, nothing crazy. I only took it 2 contracts. Usually I like to trade much more than that, but it is Asia. But that's my 20 ticks here for the day. Quick little scalp, nothing crazy. 2 contracts, don't have to go too crazy size. We'll wait for the London session and see if we get anything else there. But yeah, lovely continuation of that hourly to come back up and re-grab this double top. Now, on the future chart here, you haven't yet grabbed that high, but on the spot chart, this high has been grabbed, and that was the full target for me here. And that's the reason I still watch the spot chart. So, highs have been grabbed. Now, we'll wait for London, and you may even see these lows come and get grabbed, and we may get some more longs later on, but that's that quick little scalp there. Little scalp in Asia. Beautiful. All right, people, so we just wrapped up the London live stream. Had about 100 of you guys tuned into the stream, which is fantastic. Appreciate every single one of you taking the time to sit here with me 2 hours and scalp together. We have actually, we take quite a few scalps today. I'm only trading 2 contracts today because gold is at all-time highs, and when you're at all-time highs, it's kind of difficult for me to understand where prices are going to go. So all I kind of have to do is just play the ranges that we're bouncing within. So I massively sized down today just because it made sense. So I only traded 2 contracts the entire day, and we have ended up the day, I'll post up the screenshot as well, up $580. We took about 3 scalps on stream. The guys ended up like around 20 to 30-ish ticks, which was amazing. So good job to you guys on Zoom who caught the position. But yeah, to close up the day, $580, 2 contracts. You know, I'm pretty happy with that. We'll take it. Now it's 7 p.m. London here time. 7 p.m. London here time. It's 7 p.m. here, 9 a.m. London time, and that's me done for the day pretty much. You got news later on, you got NFP tomorrow. I'm not going to sit here. Sometimes, you know, I would still keep the charts open, fire up a few trades, and I'll still update the guys in the Discord as always every single day after the London session. But for me personally, that's my trading session done. Traded for around 2 hours today. Closed up $580. We had the Asia scalp, and then we've just had these London scalps as well. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick little day in the life, taking you guys around. If you did, remember, drop a little like, subscribe. Diss my golf swing. That don't just be nice on my golf swing, and maybe I'll document the golf journey as well. If you guys have any tips, like I say, leave them below, and we're on this golf journey together. I'll see you guys on stream 7 till 9 a.m. London time. See you there. Peace.